Some places you visit, others you feel. Ethiopia is not simply a destination on a map. It's a journey through time, culture, and the human story itself. Here, Fez is carved into stone. In Lalibela, churches rise not upward, but inward, carved from the earth itself. To guide in Ethiopia is not to recite history, but to walk inside it. From the burning depths of the Danakil Depression, one of the lowest and hottest places on earth, to the soaring peaks of the Samir Mountains, where the sky feels within reach. Few countries hold such extremes. Few still invite you to understand them. Ethiopia also offers a safari unlike any other, a highland safari, home to rare endemic wildlife found nowhere else on earth. Here roam the Ethiopian wolf, the Walia ibex, the mountain Nyala, and the Chelada, guarding the starry mountains. But Ethiopia's greatest wonder is not only its landscapes, it is its people. Every greeting, every ceremony, every shared cup of coffee is an invitation, not to observe, but to belong. At the heart of every Ethiopian journey stands the tour guide. More than professionals, they are storytellers, cultural ambassadors, and guardians of heritage. Ethiopia is ready to welcome the world, not only as a host, but as an experience that transforms those who journey here. We invite the World Federation of Tourist Guides to discover Ethiopia, guided by those who know her soul. Ethiopia, experience it, not just visit it.